everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I get to share my favorite hair mask using hibiscus and neem powder. This mask is perfect for anyone who is looking for a really quick pick-me-up, a maximum hydration conditioner or treatment. This is for you, and this is really going to help you, especially if you're detangling and styling your hair. So let's get into it. Okay, so in order to make this hair mask, we're going to need hibiscus powder. Hibiscus powder really helps prevent hair loss. It balances the pH in your scalp. It reduces grayness and it stimulates hair growth as well as prevents split ends. Next, we're going to use neem powder. So neem powder treats dandruff and itchy scalp. It promotes hair growth, and it prevents premature graying, and that's very important. And it also hydrates dry ends. Next, we're going to be using marula oil. So marula oil really helps smooth out any frizzing, and it balances oil production. It's also very rich in antioxidants, which is very good for our tresses, of course. Next, we're going to be using vitamin E oil. I don't even have to say much about vitamin E oil besides the fact that it is perfect for our hair. Next, we're going to be using rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is packed with vitamin E, and it has a lot of anti-inflammatory agents, and it's perfect for nourishing your hair and your skin. Next, we're going to use avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is extremely rich in oleic acid and monosaturated fats, making it one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft. Next, we're going to use sweet almond oil, which is very rich in vitamin B7. Next, we're using rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is one of my favorite oils. It reminds me of peppermint oil. And lastly, we have our lavender oil. This gives you a very calming and soothing effect, and it also just soothes the scalp. So here are all the products we need. We have our bowl and our spoon just to mix everything together. And then I don't picture it on here, but we also need one of your favorite conditioners that you don't mind using in a leave-in or a treatment. So I'm using the Melanin Hair Care leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. But you can use anything that you have on hand. Don't feel bad if you don't have it. Just use what you have. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to use our bowl and our spoon, and then we're going to use 1.5 cup of your favorite conditioner. And as I said before, I'm using my Melanin Hair Care leave-in conditioner, but feel free to use any other conditioner that you would like. Okay, so next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of neem leaf powder. Now, I purchased this powder from Mountain Rose Herbs, so it is organic. And I recommend that you always use organic herbs. So we're just going to stir that in. So next we're going to add our hibiscus powder. I love the color of this powder, and it really makes the hair mask. It really brings out that bright popping color that we're going to see in the end. So then we're going to go ahead and just stir this up. Now we're going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of organic rosehip seed oil. You don't need much of this oil because it is very rich and potent, but this is really going to help with our hair shaft, our scalp. Then we're going to go ahead and add a half tablespoon of organic marula oil. I love this oil so much. Next, we're going to add our vitamin E oil. And again, you don't need much of the oils because we want to keep it a fairly thick base. But in the end, it will come out as like a hair smoothie, or what I like to call it, or a very loose hair mask. Next, we're going to be adding our avocado oil. Now, for a long time, I did not know this, but organic avocado oil has a greenish color. I didn't know that. So next we're going to add 10 to 15 drops of rosemary essential oil, and don't feel bad if you add less or more. It's okay. So next we're going to add 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil. I love the smell of this oil. It's very soothing, it's very calm, it's very light and simple. So once we have added our last few drops, we're going to go ahead and just mix, and you're done. We have made our very own hibiscus and neem hair mask. curls. You guys, for a very long time, I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. I hated my hair, but since making DIY products, I've grown to love it more and more. I love this hair mask so much, and if you decide to try it, please comment down below or tag me on Instagram. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, especially if you enjoyed the content. And again, try this hair mask. It really works. I promise you it works. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing week, an amazing day. And don't forget, never stop being you. Bye.